a PC 360. First time ever seeing a house torn down.
I've never seen it. I guess I blinked yesterday and it's halfway down.
I know. Yesterday, I think I drove by and it wasn't up. It was whole. And then, like, look at this. I wonder how much longer.
So fast.
But there's in that back room. There's like storage bins.
I know. I see that.
What's in those?
I guess nobody cares. Junk now.
That makes me so sad.
A little bit, yeah.
Well, it explains why they're not mowing their grass.
Well, I
know it got sold, but the guys didn't do a whole lot.
They had a clearance sale,
Oh,
I remember, yeah. But apparently the people who handled the estate sale didn't go up in the attic.
Apparently. What if all the family jewels are in there?
I know, really.
I'm saying even the bricks, it's a shame they're just going to get rid of
I was
those.
thinking, too bad my kids are not little. I'd bring them here and park them to watch this.
How many adults are watching right now? It's like 10.
And they, you know what? They don't care about the one wall. Isn't there like a thing when you're putting up a building?
That's what I thought so
cheaper,
too.
yeah.
You're supposed to keep one thing so that it's a renovation and not a whole, like, I don't know.
Whole new construction.
But also, like, to me, I thought they'd take things down and try to, I don't know, recycle and save parts of it. This was just like,
I'm going to take it down and then I'm going to squish it.
yeah, you're just squishing everything.
And look at how huge that attic was.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I never
God, that
even
would
knew
be
that part of
so
the house was
nice.
there. You can't see it from the street.
Like, can you imagine having an attic that big? That would be so nice.
They stopped early and they said there's a swimming pool under the house. I can't believe that. I believe there's a swimming pool behind the house. So if they found something that looked like that, I think it must be like a spa or something maybe in a basement.
That's interesting.
Yeah, I don't know.
Saying that-
Somebody just said it as they were, they had stopped and somebody was walking across, but
People say it's one of the biggest lots in Alamitos Heights.
I can believe that. Look
I
at
can
that.
see it. I
It's
couldn't see it
huge.
Because they still have the garage is still there.
Yeah.
I think that'd be a fun job, just knocking down a
Ah, I know. You can pay to do it.
all my stress would go away, right?
Bye. So it's a PC 360 LC, I think. That attic. You could have built a whole room up there. chop. Wow. Crunch. Ugh. Everybody who passes by is stopping to look. It's just fascinating. It's fascinating. No, most people will take it down a little bit more gently.
Yeah, it looks like a tornado hit it or something.
I love watching construction equipment at work, doing anything. I wonder if, you know, when they get to the trees, if they're just going to scoop it up with the shovel like that. It's fascinating. And then sometimes, see, they have the claw.
Yeah.
I'm videoing, just FYI.
That's one way to do it.
I was shocked when I came home.
That's crazy.
Yeah, but are they taking down the whole house though? Over there. They are? Wow. I'll have to go look.
I've never seen it done like that.
They're just like, get it out.
Yeah. Well, it's been sat on for quite a while.
Nothing to salvage though. I mean, yeah, it's old. A long time ago.
6 months maybe, yeah.
But, you know, I talked to a woman this is about on schedule. They were getting an architect.
Yeah, I'm sure permits. I'm sure it all takes a while.
Yeah, she said the permitting, the architecture,
Push through.
and everything was, she thought it would break ground by summertime. So I think that's.
Are they saving the garage though? You know, you have to save like one part.